Daring do to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and here's an idiom I have actually never heard of. It's daring do, D-E-R-R-I-N-G hyphen D-O. And it means to do a heroic or daring act, or to have the courage to do something extraordinary, or to do something without considering how dangerous it actually is. So to do an action or to take an action without considering all of the danger or how dangerous it might actually be. This is an idiom that actually was created in the 15th century work by poet John Lydgate and taken up by Edward Spencer when it was actually misused and misprinted. It was like not a typo, but it was written incorrectly and used incorrectly. It really is the same as daring, D-A-R-I-N-G, a daring act, to dare to do something that hasn't been done before. And I would say that this has a lot to do with building and supersizing and growing our businesses. When we dare to start our own business, the vast majority of people on earth will never have the courage to start their own business, much less build it and grow it and supersize it. I think I've learned over the decades that the most daring, courageous thing that we actually do in our life is to be ourselves. To be yourself is to set the example for other people that they can be themselves too. And creating our own business, creating our own lives is a part of that. So how do you show up in your business? Do you dare to be yourself? Do you dare to set the example for the rest of your organization and for the world, and to make the world a better place by the business that you're creating? What advantages have you found that this has afforded you in your life, as well as in growing and building and supersizing your business? For me personally, I found that my stress level went from terrible to sudden cardiac arrest to almost nothing when I stopped being what I thought I should be and showing up in the world how I thought I should show up in the world and the world expected me to, and just showed up as who I actually am. And some people like that, some people don't, and I'm okay with that. That's it. Have an awesome day. I would love to know if you've heard this daring do, spelled D-E-R-R-I-N-G hyphen D-O. Again, it's a new one for me, and I love learning new things, so it was fun to learn about this one today. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another confidence-related idiom, because to dare to do something dangerous is obviously means that you have a lot of confidence. All right, have a great day. Bye.